British archaeologists believe they have pinpointed the origins of the 5,000-year-old prehistoric Stonehenge ruin. A team of scientists unearthed a stone circle in Wales' Preseli Hills, and they believe that it had been dismantled and moved 175 miles to Salisbury Plain and reconfigured as Stonehenge. The Waun Mon site, previously disregarded over the years, was found to have just 4 large bluestones left arranged in an arc. The researchers uncovered evidence of an additional 6 holes that originally held a stone in 2018, giving rise to the theory that people had taken them as they migrated. Upon measuring the diameter of the circular ditch at Waun Mon, the group found that the ditches surrounding both sites shared identical diameters of about 360 feet across. Waun Mon, which appears to be Britain's third largest stone circle, and Stonehenge are the only 2 Neolithic monuments in Britain that conform to those specifications, and examination of charcoal and sediment inside the holes suggested that Waun Mon's creation could be traced back to about 3400 BC. In addition, the dimensions of the 43 bluestones at Stonehenge match the dimensions of the 4 at Waun Mon and are the same type of rock as 3 of them. To further prove their connection, the researchers found that the entrance to both circles was aligned toward the midsummer solstice sunrise, though the circle's intended purpose remains shrouded in mystery. Stonehenge was constructed in phases starting at around 3000 BC. The Wiltshire County monument was built using both bluestones and newer and larger sarsen sandstones. Previous research over the last few decades showed that the sarsen stones were brought from just 15 miles away in Marlborough, while the bluestone pillars had been extracted from the Preseli Hills. Scientific analysis of human remains at Stonehenge indicated that some of them could have come from Wales, and further excavations are planned to try to understand more.